welcome back. Here with you, Eric Munoz in Lion Bull Academy. Today, I want to answer some question I get on the mail. That is, if you are a newbie, if you just start in the world of trading and investing, what I should do, where I should start. So let me explain it right to the moment. First of all, I'm already almost 9 years on the markets and just not so soon, you can say already after 8 years, I can say myself I am already consistent and I make a good amount of money in the trading and investing. So I now can say I can trade. I started my career long time ago. In the beginning, I also was consistent till they changed the rules, the leverage was lowered a lot. They changed a lot of stuff in the brokers I was using, and then I start lose money. Then you start searching everywhere information. I bought a lot of courses and lections, very expensive. I bought from Spain courses. The first basic course I spent 500 euro, just teach me how to read in candles and indicators. At the end, the method doesn't work. Then you think, okay, maybe the basic was not enough. I bought the advanced course. I pay 1,200 euro more for after end up in the same situation. They explain really always the same. Then I go to another company, much better explaining. They really give you more details on the explanation, but at the end it's always the same. You're gonna learning how to read in indicators, you're gonna learning how to read the market, you're gonna learning some trading news, you can say, okay, some analysis techniques, some fundamental analysis. But even not in so detail like you will wish. And the method they teach you, that you say that you can make money, they really doesn't work, or they are really difficult to follow, when really the trading and investing is not so difficult. Just need to have a consistency. So these courses I recommend you to don't do it. If you have money to spend in courses, in lection, better you go try to find someone who after give you a real certificate from universities, from a real educational companies that really give you some real certificates. No, this is to say, oh, you make a certificate on, let's say an example, Lion Bull Academy give you a certificate of performance. That's have no value. I don't have behind me a real university that can give me the rights to give you one certificate. So that's have no real educational certificate. It's not a real educational certificate. So if you want to spend that money, I recommend you to better buy books. You can have the same amount of knowledge, but buy one book 40 euro than a course that costs 5,000-6,000 euro. Just telling you, buy better a lot of books from real trader and investor that they already make a ton of money on the market. They really can teach you a lot of insights about the market. Second one, use only paper account, a demo account, where you can trade with no risk there and start learning. Then after that, after you already find out how to use the tools you have it, the broker, the reading the charts, see the indicator, you can go in YouTube and find thousands of videos. Don't need to be only in my channel. You can find really anywhere. You can find for free a lot of information that you really need for start. After that, my advice is you find a mentor, a coacher that can teach you how to trade, but also don't follow just because let's say I have my coaching pay program. No, I have it mine. Really, I have it. But I don't reclaim too much because I don't need it really for living that coaching. So that's only if somebody call me, then I will give my price, and if they wanted to do it with me or not. That's really up to them. I don't care. So let's say I want to sell you my coaching. I come, oh, I make 70% this year. So coming to my coach, I will teach you how to trading, how to make money in trading and investing. Then what you need to ask him is a proof that they show you the real account, how much money they have it, and how much money they make. Don't need to be the main big account. Let's say they have an account with 25,000, 30,000, 40,000. That they prove you at least with some money there, that for 1 year or 5 months, 6 months, they are profitable. At least 5 to 6 months, at least. Okay, that they are profitable. They make consistent money. Then from there you can accept that person for be your coach or your mentor. Okay, that's very important. After you're learning a method, you need to adequate to yourself. You need to practice this to feel it yourself. When you have time to look in the market, when you have time, so you need to adequate that method to you because each person is different. Okay, so first you need to do it. Stop buying courses that doesn't gonna help you really too much. Better you look in free videos on YouTube or another platform. Second one, buy a lot of books from professionals from the past time. You have plenty of information that you can get from them. Really, reading a lot, and I recommend you to take books non-stop. They will give you a lot of insight. Third, learning your broker. Use the best tool you can get. Each broker have his pro and cons, so find one that suits you and that give you the instrument you need. Then you trade in the paper account, in the demo account, till you master it, that platform, till you understand how it's working, how to read in everything. Then find a mentor, get a lecture, or maybe you even don't need a mentor. Maybe you alone yourself will find your method. That's depend on you and how much you are willing to spend time. If you try to do it yourself alone, like I did myself, so you're gonna need 8-9 years. And also, I just tell you, you want to live in from a trading account, from an investing account, you need to have at least $50,000 to $100,000 in your account for start living from it. Less than that, it's not for a living. You can use it for have a pension plan in the future. You can start increase that amount of money, yes, but it's not the account that you can live from it from the beginning. You want to live in from the start, 100,000 is the minimum. Okay, so I hope this video will help you a little bit. Any question, comment me down below, and see you next time.